Hey guys, what's up? This is John Chow from johnchow.com, and I have here my brand new Tassimo Brewbot from Bosch Industries. This is a single unit coffee, tea, hot chocolate maker. It's really unique. All you gotta do is, instead of being a regular coffee maker, this thing makes 1 cup of perfect coffee every time. And how it does that is it uses these thing called the tea disc, and the tea disc has a barcode on here. All you gotta do is this Tassimo reads the barcode, and then it would know what type of coffee it is, and it would extract or put out the exact amount of water and heat to create a perfect cup of coffee. I'm gonna make a cappuccino. So a cappuccino requires the creamer. And we just place it down, close the old lid, alright, and then just push the button. It's amazingly fast. Heats up the cream really quickly, and then you can see steam come out in a little while. Pop it up, take it out, put it in the garbage can, and then we'll just add my espresso coffee. Oh, I can smell it. It smells so good. And there you go, the perfect cappuccino. Now, if you would like a chance to win your own Tassimo Brewbot, simply go to the address on this screen right now, and you could win your very own Brewbot.